It's time to get rid of these ugly lights. I don't even know why I ever bought them. They're hideous. They almost look like the Lightning, Ford F-150 Lightning lights. They're ugly. The fine folks over at Okisawa sent me a set of much more aesthetically pleasing tail lights. Packaged very nicely, very safe. Got some extra pigtails in here. All it is 2 8mm bolts, one here and one here, that go into these plastic lights. Pull them out and then take the light. Sometimes you gotta like pop it out because it's stuck in the little plastic tabs. Then hooking this up, you're gonna hook the pigtail up to the end. This is a single now, it's not a double anymore. So you're gonna hook the pigtail up to this, and then these 2 double ones are going to go to your factory connections. After you hook in your connections, you're going to go ahead and set your light in, line everything up, and then put your bolts back in. Now I hooked these up, one of them up wrong. Here, I'll show you. There's lock. You see how it gave you the full look at this one over here. I hooked it up wrong. One of the things that I like about this is the fact that they mount the ballast to the light, so you don't have to do it. That's really nice. Alright, to start off with, this is the lock chime, or the lock look. That's what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you unlock. Lock. Unlock. Regular running lights. Turn signals with regular running lights. I got somebody going in there to hit the brakes. Yeah, there's the brakes. Got it. Now put it in reverse. And there's reverse. Alright, put it in park. Put the hazards on, let go of the brake. Hazards are on top of the radio. There you go, there's the hazards. I like them. I definitely like them. They're better than the ones that were on there, that's for sure. I'll have a link down below for you guys. Check it out. You get a discount using my name down below.